was just thinking the past few days lately about something, and I just wanted to make a video and share really, and that is what are Gen Z's meant to be doing right now in this age of AI. Like I'm very fascinated in a way because like I went to uni and I left uni, and then now I'm working with people where they are building crazy stuff, you know, AI tools, AI bots, AI agents, and also working with other startups and, you know, facilitating this transition. And I'm like, oh wow, like what we have and the speed of this growth in tech, and listening to like podcasts and stuff, is like we're in a really big change right now. And more importantly, I'm just sitting there, I'm just thinking, like, when it comes to my generation, which essentially Gen Zs are just age 11 to 27, I think. Either we're going to school, about to leave school, or just, you know, early in the workplace. And I'm just thinking, like, what are we meant to be doing so that by the time, you know, we're 30, 40, that we've made the right decisions today, so that by then we're good. Because I was listening to the podcast, and I think it was like Kai Fu Lee. He's like an AI expert, and he said that in 3 years, 50% of jobs are going to be replaced by AI. And then there was I think Greg Braden, and he talked about how by 2035, you know, we're going to be basically part human, part robot. We've got like AI chips in our brains, you know, working and stuff like that, and we're like basically one generation away from this massive change of being human and being AI mixed human. And I'm just, yeah, like I'm just sitting there, I'm just like, okay, so, you know, what are we meant to do as a generation? But obviously, like, I am working on this right now, you know, with an amazing team to build out this infrastructure so that we have everything in place for the Gen Zs to adapt and change. But I do want to start to make more noise, I guess, around this, because I feel like when it comes to talking to students, some don't care, some aren't aware, but we also have a group where we're just facing this like career anxiety over what are we meant to be doing. Like at university, we're not being taught the right things. We're being banned to use ChatGPT. When I was at uni, which was like just a few years ago, I was still using paper for finance exams, and now we've got GPT to help us make these Excel sheets. So it's just making sure that I think conversations are happening, and we are like, I want to not make a group, but essentially I just want to talk to more people who are seeing what I'm seeing, seeing the change that's happening, and also thinking about, okay, what do we need to do right now to adapt, to transition, to start making sure that we're future-proofed, I guess. And so, yeah, if anyone wants to have a chat about that, feel free to let me know. I think like we're going through some massive change, and I just feel like as a generation, we should come together more and talk about this even more. So that is my thoughts for the day. Thank you.